back to my channel. I am back with another bag review for you guys, and this particular video is gonna be an unboxing video. If you're already following me, then you pretty much know which bag I'm talking about, but I was eyeing this bag from Louis Vuitton for so long. This particular bag is always sold out on their website. It took me so much time to finally get my hands on this bag. I'm so excited, and actually I followed a trick that I recently came across, and actually it worked for me. So if you are eyeing a particular Louis Vuitton bag and it is always sold out, then probably see this video till the very end, because I'll mention the trick that worked for me to get this always sold out bag. Maybe it'll work for you guys as well, and you can also get your hands on your favorite bag that you're looking for. So without further ado, let's jump right onto the video. Alright guys, as I mentioned, I have been looking for this bag, oh my gosh, for ages at this point. It's the most gorgeous bag that I've ever seen from Louis Vuitton, and I have so many canvas bags from Louis Vuitton at this point that I really wanted more of the empreinte leather. I'm really liking the empreinte leather a lot these days. I think it is much more very elegant, classy, chic, timeless. And the leather is so pretty. Like, I already have the key pouch in empreinte leather. Absolutely love it. I use it so rugged, and still it is in such good condition. I can so vouch for the empreinte leather. I already gave it away that I was kind of eyeing the empreinte leather bag. And if you know me, then you know that I always go for basic colors. So I always go for a neutral shade, a black, a white, a beige, those kind of color schemes, because then I feel you can pair it up with any kind of outfit that you're going for, and then at the same time you can wear it pretty much all throughout the year. So I try to go with those kind of neutral shades. And oh my gosh, this particular color, since the time Louis Vuitton released it, I absolutely have been eyeing this color. I definitely wanted this. Some people say that this is also a color changing kind of a color, like it reflects like a different shade in different lights, which is great. It's like you own multiple bags, but you're not, it's just one bag, right? So I think I'm talking a lot. Let's quickly jump on to the unboxing first, and then we will talk further. I just now removed the ribbon that it came up with, so this is how it looks. And I'm just gonna open the box. Here are the receipts. Let's put it there. And here is the dust bag. Let me quickly open. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Just look at this. Oh my gosh. I think this is one of the most pretty bags I've ever seen. So this is the Pochette Métis in the empreinte leather, and the color is turtle dove. Look at this. This is the most pretty thing I have ever seen in my life. Oh my gosh. And look at the color. Oh, it is so pretty. I feel this particular color can go with anything, any time of the year, wherever you are going. Especially Pochette Métis. Pochette Métis, I think, is one of the most popular bags from Louis Vuitton. And at one point, oh my gosh, it was such a trend. It was sold out everywhere. Everybody wanted the canvas version a lot. And then finally they came up with the empreinte leather version of the bag as well. But then the colors that they had, I was not into those. Like they have a blue, they have a black, and there was a pink as well. But I was looking for something more subtle, and I already have so many black bags that I did not want to get another black bag. And my key pouch in empreinte leather is also in black, so I did not want to go for another black. And this particular color, since the time they have released it, I think this color came early last year, if I'm not mistaken, maybe year before, but I think close to that. Since the time this color has been released, oh my gosh, it's always sold out. You can't find this color for this bag. and I just knew that I only want this color. I don't want any other color, and I definitely want the Pochette Métis because I love the style of the bag. I feel this is a very classic bag. This will never go out of style. This will always be in style. So if you're looking for something that can hold up onto the test of time and you can wear it for so many years to come, go for this, definitely. Because of the color, I waited for it for months and months, but I am so glad that I did, that I finally got the color that I'm looking for. And the color is not a beige, it's not a gray, it's somewhere in between. It's like a grayish beige color, but definitely it's gonna change based off the light that you are in. So I absolutely love that about this bag. Also, Pochette Métis in general is a very good size bag. I think it's a medium size bag. It also comes with this top handle, which is great, but at the same time they also give you a shoulder strap, which I'm going to show in a while. So let's talk about the price first. This bag, I have the Louis Vuitton website open in front of me, and this is currently retailing for 2,990 Canadian dollars plus taxes. So it is an expensive bag for sure, but then it's all leather bag. It's a complete leather bag, so I think it is worth the investment. It is couple of $100 more between a canvas and the leather version, but I think if you can put those couple hundred more, then you can get a all leather version, and I think this is much better than the canvas. This will hold up much better, so I would definitely recommend checking the Empreinte leather. Let's talk about the specifications of the bag. So this one is 9.8 inches in length, 7.5 inches in height, and then 2.8 inches in width. So the depth is 2.8 inches. And as you can see, this bag has all golden hardware, right? So this buckle in the front, and here it says Louis Vuitton Paris. And here there is a Louis Vuitton logo as well. I don't know if camera is showing, there's Louis Vuitton written here, then Louis Vuitton Paris here. And then here I have the hooks for the strap, and here the buttons are also gold and they say Louis Vuitton. Same on this side. The other good part is at the back of this bag we have this big zipper, and here also on the zipper it's gold and it says Louis Vuitton here. So shiny, I love it. And then when you open it, I think this is kind of a zipper which you can actually make use of. Definitely put your phone or put some additional slips, cards. I think it's good spacious back pocket, which I really like. Let's inspect the bag. I'm just checking that everything is in place. I don't see any issues with the bag, which is great. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with this bag. I think this has become one of my most favorite bags ever because of the color, the print. I'm dying. Also, so everything looks perfect. I checked, everything is great with the bag. Then it also comes with this top handle, which is great, so you can hold the bag like this. And then it says Louis Vuitton Paris here as well. It's embossed here, so I'm not sure if camera is showing, but it is embossed here in the same color as the color of the bag. And then to open the bag, all you have to do is press here and this clasp gets opened. And inside, firstly, we have this shoulder strap, which is great because it's removable as well as adjustable. So initially, I have their website open. So this is initially 18.9 inches in length, but at the same time, because it is adjustable, you can make it to 21.7 inches long strap, which is great. And as you can see, it is also in the same color as the color of the bag, and all the hardware is gold, shiny. I love this about the bag, that it comes with a shoulder strap and it's adjustable, removable. You can make it a shoulder bag, a crossbody. Love it. And even I can drop the strap and just hold it like handheld using the top handle, which is great. So inside, It is all lined and it is all accordion style, and as you can see, it is very spacious. So there's a back pocket here. Oh my god, it smells like fresh leather. And then here there's a huge pocket again, and here we have another pocket. I like that this is all partitioned, so you can actually split the stuff that you're carrying. And as you can see, it is pretty spacious. You can fit a lot in this bag. I think definitely I can make it my work bag as well and carry it around because it's gonna fit a lot of my stuff. So let's put the shoulder strap on. I'm not changing the length of it at this point. So let's quickly, I'm gonna quickly hook it up on these D-rings like that. Put it here too. And it becomes a great shoulder bag, or you can hold it as a crossbody. I feel Empreinte leather in general also has many other benefits. First, it's not screaming Louis Vuitton unless and until you come like up close. From far, it's not so evident that you're carrying a Louis Vuitton. And I like that sometimes you want to be a bit subtle and not on your face that I'm carrying a Louis Vuitton. Because with canvas bags, it's so obvious, right? From far distance also, you can know that this is a Louis Vuitton. I absolutely love canvas bags. I have so many canvas bags. There's no end to it. But at the same time, Empreinte leather has its own classy vibe to it, right? Also, another thing to note here is it's all embossed with the LV monogram, right? As you can see. So they recommend always to not overstuff the bag, because if you will keep overstuffing, then it's going to stretch the bag a lot, and then the embossing might fade away. So I keep that in mind with my key pouch as well, that I don't overstuff it. In case, you know, you don't like the embossing to go away, just be careful with that. Anyway, like for me, if you're following me, I don't like carrying a lot of stuff on a day-to-day basis. In general also, like I don't like carrying like crazy amounts of stuff in my bag and then my shoulder is pushing me down. Like I'm not that person. So for me, it's still okay. But in general, if you're somebody who is carrying a lot of stuff, just be careful with Empreinte leather, because it might fade the embossing away with time. I will definitely keep an eye on this bag and keep you posted in case I see any issues. But right now it's all fresh and new and it's absolutely gorgeous, right? I think this particular color is a great option to go for during springtime, summertime, even in fall and winter. I think we can switch around, accessorize it. I actually got another bandeau from Louis Vuitton as well, which I'm gonna show in another video maybe, and how we can dress up this bag, because I love dressing up my bags as well as per the season and as per the outfit that I'm going for. So definitely stay tuned for that video. As I mentioned, I always go for classy bags. If I have to pick, like 90% of my collection is classics, which will hold the test of time and I can wear them over and over. And this is one of those bags. I don't think I'm gonna let go of this bag anytime soon. I'm so happy that I got the color that I wanted. Absolutely love it. It makes me smile that I have this color with me. I definitely wanted this color, definitely wanted this bag, and it's great that I got the combination of both. So I have the bag, I have the color. I think I'm gonna definitely make this a work bag as well. I'm gonna make a lot of usage out of it. Really excited. So I'm definitely gonna keep you guys posted with my journey for this bag, and if I see any wear and tear with a lot of usage, I'm gonna keep you guys posted. So now comes the best part, and the part is about how do you get a bag which is always sold out on Louis Vuitton, right? What I recently figured out is, if you are in hunt of a particular Louis Vuitton bag and you see it sold out, just put it in your wish list in your account. Definitely create an account in the Louis Vuitton website and then put the bag in the color that you're looking for in your wish list. And then I always recommend in the early hours, like till afternoon of Eastern time, and I always recommend during the morning time till noon Eastern time. I'm in Vancouver, so for me it will be even more earlier. Somehow the bags are available on their website during that time, so keep an eye in the early morning time, like morning till noon Eastern time. Okay, go to your wish list and try to check for the availability of the bag only from your wish list. Yes, don't go and search for the bag on the website and then check for availability. What I did was I was keeping my eye couple of days on the wish list directly. If you hover on the wish list, it will show whether the item is available or not. And I literally did it like for 3 or 4 days. I think the 5th day when I hover on it, it was available. And trust me, I had another laptop open where I just searched for it without my account and the bag was not available. So from the wish list, I could see that the bag was available and I just hit add to cart and just did the payment, and it went through and the bag was again showing not available. So probably they had only one in stock at that time and somehow I got my hand on it. So the trick is always put the color, the bag that you're looking for in your wish list, check for its availability within your wish list, don't search for it, and as soon as you see it is available, just add to cart from there itself. You don't even have to open the bag. If you hover on your wish list on that particular bag, it will show whether it's available or not, and then just add it to the cart and do the payment. It's gonna work, and it has worked for me this time, so I can vouch for it. The only thing is timing also matters, so keep it within the early morning time, as I mentioned, till noon, and definitely I think it will do the trick. I'm definitely gonna try for other bags as well and keep you guys posted if it works for me. But if it works, this is a great trick, because I can't tell you, this bag I was waiting for ages. If you're following me on my other bag reviews, I always mention this bag, that this is the next bag that I eye for, this is the next bag that I want, this is the next bag that I want. So if you follow all those videos, then you know this was something that I was looking for a while. So this trick worked for me. I hope it works for you as well. Try it and please let me know if it works for you. I would be so happy if it does. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you liked this unboxing. I'm so excited to see this bag in my hand. I think I won't pair any other bag at this point other than this. I'm so excited to just use this bag over and over again. I think right now it has become my new favorite. Absolutely love it. I am glad that I got it in the summertime. I think it's a lighter color. I can pair it with a beautiful bandeau or some kind of a accessory and make it my own. So I'm really excited for that. I'm definitely gonna post another video with the bandeau and how you can play around with that. So please stay tuned for it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. So many bag reviews are already up on my channel in case you want to check it out. I'll be back with many more bag reviews on my channel, so stay tuned to my channel, and until next time, bye guys.